Following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency F.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, here if we see this, in this question actually, if you observe the daily pocket allowance, this question is about the following daily pocket allowance of the children Hasni of a locality. And they said that the mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Means what? Mean value is already given Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mean pocket allowance is
18.
18. Find the missing frequency.
Okay,
Okay, Hasni?
okay, sir.
Means what? They missed one value in the frequency column. If you observe.
Yes, sir.
That one we need to find out. So what we should do is, Hasni, in this, we need to equate the mean formula to 18 because generally in other questions we are finding out the mean as some number, no, some 30 or 15 or something like that.
Yes, sir.
Here mean is already given as 18. So we'll equate the mean to 18 and we'll write under mean its formula and we'll substitute the values and we'll find out this unknown frequency. Okay. So this model is called as Hasni missing the frequency model. Hasni
Oh, okay, sir.
missing frequency model. Yes, Hasni. So third question will like what we will do is Hasni first we'll write the class interval column like we know clearly
Yes.
missing frequency question. Class interval and then frequency column Hasni, then xi column, then di column. Okay. Depending on our values, Hasni, we'll see whether we'll go to di or okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So first class interval, if I draw the columns clearly, Hasni, say then once I'm writing the values, Hasni, class interval values are actually 11 to 13. 11 to 13. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Then 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25 Hasni. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now frequency values Hasni I'm writing 7, 6, 9, 13, F5, 4. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now XI Hasni. XI is like I think you should be able to once you'll tell it Hasni first XI value 11 plus 13 by
2.
is Hasni. What it will become Hasni?
12.
Yes, Hasni. Then everywhere the class size is same, no Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So we'll add just 2, we'll get the number. Class size is 13 minus 11, 2. So that's why we'll add 2 to this first value Hasni and we'll get the next one instead of doing 13 plus 15 by 2. So we'll get 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, then 22 and
24.
20. Okay, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Now, Hasni, you can see here we can make these values much smaller by going to assume mean method, because you can see multiplication will make bigger numbers.
Yes, sir.
So we can make that xi column much smaller by selecting a value and by going to assumed mean method.
Oh,
So
okay.
I'm selecting the middle value, Hasni, a as 18. I'm underlining that, or we can simply keep that as a. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now, Hasni, we'll do di is equal to xi minus a. Okay,
Okay, sir.
di is equal to xi minus a. So can you tell the values, Hasni? Now, every value we have to write xi minus a, whatever. You'll tell it, Hasni, quickly, these values.
Sir, 6.
Hasni, 12 minus 18, no?
12 minus 18.
Xi minus a, no? Xi is 12 minus 18.
So, minus 6.
Yes, Hasni. And then 12 minus
Minus 4.
14 minus 18 is minus 4.
Minus 2.
Yes, Hasni.
0.
Yes, Hasni.
2.
Yes, Hasni.
4 and 6.
Yes, Hasni. So you can see, Hasni, the values are smaller only. We can go for step deviation also, Hasni. But anyway, these values will become much smaller if you if you go to the step deviation method, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but anyway, step deviation method I'll explain freshly for a new sum, Hasni. This missing frequency sum we'll finish it with assume mean method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So now what I will do is, Hasni, Fi
Yeah.
is Hasni. Fi di column and now. Means we'll multiply the Fi value with the respective di value. Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Multiply it, Hasni.
Sir, minus 42.
Yes, Hasni.
Minus 24.
Yes, Hasni.
Minus 18.
Yes, Hasni.
0.
Yes, Hasni. F into 2 is a
F into 2 is
like
2.
x into 2, 2x, no, Hasni. So like that variable into 2 will become 2f.
Yes.
F is a variable here, unknown value.
Okay.
You need to find out, Hasni. Then 2f, f into 2, 2f, any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Next one, Hasni.
Or 20.
Yes, Hasni.
Uh, 24.
Yes, Hasni. That is that. So, Hasni, now what we will do is, Hasni, we will add the FIDA column and sigma F, and we'll find out sigma F and sigma FIDA. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. What it will become, Hasni? Sigma Fi means addition of all the F frequency columns. Fi. That is frequency column. Fi means F1, F2, F3 means all the individual frequency values. We'll add it, Hasni. So how much will get, Hasni? They already mentioned, okay, they didn't add it in there because the reason is, Hasni, here, one of the F value is not there.
Oh.
One of, when we add it, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 9, 22,
Yes, sir.
7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 9,
20
22, 22 plus 13,
plus 13. 32.
35, 35 plus F4
35.
plus 5. 40. 40 plus 4
44. 44
is
plus.
us. So F will be F only. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 13 is 25, 35, 40, 44. So what is the value, Hasni?
44 plus.
44 plus F will be added like that. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Because that is unknown value, like plus X like that, how like that Hasni. Now Hasni, sigma Fi di has. Sigma Fi di, this column. Yes, Hasni?
So once can I add it in the answer?
Ah, yes, yes. So Hasni will continue. Means if we add these values, minus 42 minus 24 is minus 66. No, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Minus 66 minus 18 is minus 66 minus 74 minus 84. No, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Minus 84 and plus 0 is minus 84. So 20 plus 4, 24 is 24.
Yes, sir.
So Hasni minus 84 plus 44. How much, Hasni? Minus
40.
40.
Okay, so we don't need to add 2.
Means Hasni, 2F is completely one term, no, Hasni.
Oh, okay, sir.
Means minus 40, actually in the place of 2F, if suppose some number is there, we will add minus 40, suppose plus that, suppose that number is 30, we'll add minus 40 plus 30, no?
Oh, okay, sir.
Like that, 2F is there now. It will become minus 40 plus
2.
2F.
Okay.
Means you cannot add 40 and 2 because 2 is multiplied with F, no? Variable. Like for example, if you have 2x plus 3, can we add 2 plus 3, Hasni?
No, sir.
Because here this is with variable, 2x is cannot be like term with 3.
Okay, sir. Now I got it.
If 3 also has x means then we can add like that. Here f is there with 2, so 40f is there means then we can add 40 plus minus 40.
Oh, okay, sir.
So it will become so it will become has mean minus 40. How much has me?
Minus the answer, sir.
Yes, has me.
Minus
This
40.
one is has me.
Minus 40 plus 2f.
Yes, has me. That is correct. So Hasni, now we got the sigma fi di value, sigma fi value.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will equate this to Hasni, the main value that is given in the question. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Shall I delete it, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll equate, so I'll write these values, Hasni, here. Sigma fi di Shall I do it here, Hasmi? In this space?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, yes, Hasmi, mean is given as mean is equal to 18, Hasmi. So, mean formula is sigma fi di by sigma fi a plus. Okay, Hasmi?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A plus sigma fi d by sigma fi is equal to 18. Now what I will do is ask me, I'll substitute the values. A is how much? 18.
Okay.
A is 18 plus plus sigma fi di is how much, ask me? Minus 40 plus 12.
Minus 12.
Ask me?
Sir, minus 40 plus 2f, sir, I don't.
Yes, ask me. Sigma fi is ask me 44 plus
F, 40 plus 2f. Oh, yeah,
plus f.
44 plus f. 44 plus f. Sorry, sir.
Yes, ask me. Is equal to 18. So this 18 which is added here will go right side as it will become minus 18.
Okay.
So 18 minus 18,
0.
0. So minus 40 plus, what is the next step, Hasni? Minus 40 plus 2f by 44 plus f is equal to 18 minus 18, 0, Hasni.
Oh, okay.
This 18 went right side, it will become 18 minus 18, 0. Now this is a fraction, Hasni. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fraction is cross multiplication will happen. So this 44 plus f will go right side and multiply with 0. What it will become? Anything into 0 is 0. So this 44 plus f into 0, completely that will become
0.
0, Hasmi, now. So the leftover thing is now, we will get the minus 40 plus 2f is equal to 0. Okay, Hasmi? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because reason is this denominator will go that side and multiply with this 0 and 0 will become.
So could you repeat?
So Hasni, now 2f is means this fraction in this fraction Hasni, now denominator will go right side and cross multiply.
Yes, sir.
44 plus f into 0, that part will become 0. Minus 40 plus 2f will be eliminated. Okay. Is it okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasmi. Now minus 40 will go right side. It will become
Plus 40.
0 plus
40.
40. So 2f is equal to 0 plus 40 is 40, Hasmi. So finally f for the missing frequency is
20.
how much, Hasmi?
Sir.
20. Because 40 by 2 is 20. So the missing frequency finally is 20, Hasmi. Hasmi, any doubt, Hasmi? Once check, Hasmi.
No, sir. Got it.
Okay, Hasmi. Shall I delete it, Hasmi?
Yes, sir. You can delete it.
Okay, Hasmi. Ah, yes, Hasmi.
30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor, and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean of heartbeats per minute for these women, choosing a suitable method.
Yes, Hasmi. So if you see, Hasmi, for this, I'll go for the step deviation method, and because the reason is how we didn't still do the step deviation method, I'll explain that method, Hasmi, for this. So up to BI column, it is same, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
Subdivision method or any method, like assumed method up to DA column it is same. So now here this is about the heartbeats values asking of different people of women. So like a different number of women asking. So we can see that two women heartbeat which they did survey. No, that one it was around 65 to 68, and four women it is 68 to 78 like that. Different number of women. So we have to find out the mean value of the heartbeat asking.
Okay, sir.
So for that, Hasni, we'll go to the we'll again draw the columns. So which is fourth one, Hasni now.
Okay, sir.
So first thing is Hasni class intervals same. This is a question Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So we'll write class intervals Fi Xi. Okay, Hasni,
Okay, sir.
and Di. Di is actually Xi minus A Hasni. So now I'll draw a few columns Hasni. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm writing the class interval values as me 65 to 68. Then 68 to 71. Then 71 to 74. 74 to 77 has me 77 to 80. 80 to 83 and 83 to 86 has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt has me? I don't know. Has me?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now I am writing Hasni Fi values Hasni 2, 4. Yes, and Hasni 2, 4,
4, 3, 8,
3, 8.
7, 4, 2.
Okay. Xi Hasni. So 65 plus 68. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2 Hasni. 65 plus 68, which is 125, 133 by 2. 133 by 2 will get Hasni, which is 60. 133 by 2 is how much Hasni?
Sir, could you repeat?
We'll get lower limit plus upper limit by 2 Hasni. 65 plus 68 by 2. 65 plus 68 is 133. 133 by 2 is how much Hasni? 66.5.
Oh, oh.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
66.5 will get Hasni this value. Now, Hasni, if you see everywhere is the class size same. Everywhere the class size same, Hasni. Hello?
Sir, could you hear me?
Yes, Hasni. Everywhere is the class size same, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the class size, Hasni?
3.
Huh?
3, sir.
So, we'll add 3 to this, Hasni. Once you quickly tell the values, Hasni, what I have to write now? 66.5 plus 3. It will become first Hasni 69.5. Then next Hasni
72.5.
yes Hasni. Next one Hasni
So 75.5.
yes Hasni. Next one Hasni
78.5.
yes Hasni. Next one Hasni
81.5.
yes Hasni. And 84.5. So Hasni, some students will ask me why cannot I do a direct method? Direct method we can do it Hasni. You can see you have to multiply these values which will take time.
Yes, sir.
Fi xi. So we should prefer direct method only if the xi values and fi values are almost single digit only.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now from this xi, from this ai, from this column Hasni, we will select a value Hasni. Let us select this one as a Hasni, 75.5 as a underline middle one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll find out the di column Hasni xi minus a means you have to subtract every a from every xi value Hasni.
Oh, okay, sir.
So Hasni will tell it Hasni quickly 66.5 minus 75.5 means we get 75.5 minus 66.5 is actually 9 Hasni I think. So
No.
but smaller minus bigger when you do you'll get a
Yes.
minus 9. Okay Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Similarly the next one Hasni 3 gap only no Hasni you'll get minus 6. Because next number the gap is 3 only no.
Yes, sir.
So that's why. And then
Minus.
minus 3. 72.5 minus 75.5 is minus 3. Okay, Hasni? Is it okay, Hasni? Any doubt?
Okay, sir. No doubt, sir.
This Hasni. 75.5 minus 75.5. This value, middle value will become 0, Hasni.
0. Yes, sir.
78.5 minus 75.5, Hasni.
So 3.
Yes, Hasni.
369, sir.
Correct, Hasni. Now, Hasni, we will do di by h, Hasni. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That is the new column Hasni. We are doing. You can see Hasni. These values are small only, but I'm going to step deviation method.
Okay, sir.
These values are small only. We can do this using assumed mean method and we can complete. But I'll make you understand the step deviation method with this sum Hasni. Here, what I am doing is Hasni. We will take a new column called UI.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni. UI is nothing but di by h. Di by
H.
h means what Hasni? Whatever the value present in di, you have to divide it with h. H mostly the class size as which is the class size that is 3.
Okay, sir.
So now Hasni, once if you divide the every di value with the h that is 3, what we will get Hasni?
Sir, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1.
Okay, Hasni.
And
So
0.
you get minus 9 by 3 is minus 3. Yes or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Minus 6 by h is 3 actually. Minus 6 by 3 minus 6 by 3 is minus 2 has me. Minus 3 by 3 is minus 1, 0. 3 by 3, 1. 6 by 3, 2. 9 by 3. Yes or no has me? Any doubt has me? Because h is 3 has me. H is the class size. Upper limit minus lower limit of the upper limit minus lower limit of the class interval. Of any class interval. Here everywhere it's. Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
Now has me. You can see FIDI column multiplication is easy or FIUI column multiplication is easy. Both are both are single digits only. Multiplication is easy in both of them, but more smaller values where we will get Hasmi.
UI column, sir.
Yes, Hasmi means when you multiply f by ui, the values which you get are much smaller than the values which you get using f by di.
Yes, sir.
So that's why in step deviation method, one extra column where we have to do this, we'll get a column with smaller values Hasmi. That is f by ui finally.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next one Hasmi. So 2 into minus 3 minus
Minus 6.
4 into minus 2.
Minus 8.
This has me. 3 into minus 1.
3 into minus 1, 3. Minus 3.
This has me. 8 into 0.
0. 7. 4 into 2, 6. 2 into 2, 4.
7 into 1.
7.
We are multiplying f by ui values.
Yes, sir.
This has me.
So next one is 4
4
into
into 2 is right.
8.
2 into 2 is 6.
Yes.
Okay. So finally we will do sigma f by ui and sigma f5. Okay. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So Asmi, sigma fi ui is nothing but adding all the values of fi ui column Asmi.
Yes, sir.
So we'll get minus 6 minus 8 Asmi. How much Asmi?
So we have to add the means it's like minus 14.
Ah, yes Asmi. Minus 14 minus 3 Asmi.
Minus 17.
Minus 17 plus 7 Asmi.
Uh, Minus 10.
Yes Asmi. Minus 10 plus 8 Asmi.
Minus 10 minus 8, sir.
Plus 8 Asmi. Minus 10 plus 8.
Then minus 2, sir.
Minus 2 plus 6 Asmi.
Minus 2, 6. Minus 2 and 6, sir.
Plus 6 because we are adding all these now. Plus 6, no? Last.
6,
Yes,
4.
Hasmi. So we'll get finally 4 Hasmi this value and sigma f5 Hasmi similarly. Adding all the frequency columns. So here this we will get it directly from the question also. How many people the survey is conducted? That one Hasmi or if we add all the values of this f5 column.
Okay. So
How
it's
much is
total.
2 plus 4 6 plus 2 plus 4 6 plus 3 9 plus 8 17 plus 7 24 plus 4 28 plus 2 30.
30, sir.
Okay. So Hasni, now finally we'll find out the mean Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now mean I'm doing it here Hasni. Step deviation formula mean is equal to a plus the formula in step deviation method is Hasni a plus sigma fi
UI.
instead of di you will get ua Hasni.
Yes, a sigma Fy UI by sigma Fy into
Fi into h Hasni where h is the class size. So how I ask students to remember is Hasni, we divided entire UI column to get the UI column. We divided entire DI column with H now Hasni 3.
yes, sir.
That whatever we divided, we are multiplying it with back Hasni in the last.
Yes, sir.
Like that, I'll ask students to remember Hasni.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So we'll just substitute the values, Hasni. A is how much? 75.5. A is 75.5, which we selected, plus sigma Fi UI Hasni is 4.
It's 4, sir.
By sigma Fi is Hasni
Sigma FI 30.
30. Into H is how much Hasni?
3.
Hasni?
3, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So this is multiplication Hasni between these two.
Yes, sir.
So this is 3 by 3 means 3 by 1, no?
Yes, sir.
We can cut 3 and 30, no?
Yes, sir.
So what it will become Hasni if you cut it? 3 ones are
4 by 10.
and 3 tens. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 75.5 plus 4 by 10 Hasni. So 4 by 10 is how much Hasni?
0.4.
Yes, Hasni. So here we should not prefer LCM Hasni, time waste. We can just find the value of this because it's a smaller fraction. Now we can find the decimal and add it with that.
Yes, sir.
Because other way means you have to do LCM by 1 into 10 into 10, that will be time waste. Finally, you have to do the division Hasni, which we have to find the answer in the decimal only. That's why.
Okay, sir.
We should find out the decimal of the smaller fraction and add it with that desired values. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So 75.5 plus 0.4 is Hasni 75.9 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So this is the mean Hasni. So means average heartbeat of every woman is Hasni 75.9 Hasni.
Oh, okay, sir.
Heartbeats per second. So Hasni, just for our confirmation, once you check the back answer Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So read this question.
The sir, sixth question or fifth question, sir?
So fifth one. Yes, Hasni, fifth one. Fifth one.
In the retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, so if you see the number of mangoes, 50 to 52 were there in 15 boxes. Hasni, like that 53 to 55 were there in 110 boxes, like that they gave it Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Okay, find the mean number of boxes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? So Hasni here by after writing the columns, Hasni will prefer which method, but 100% will not go to direct method Hasni. Okay, because the values are single digit only, we'll go to direct method. We'll do either step division or assuming method Hasni. But if you observe the class intervals Hasni, for the first time you got different class size Hasni.
Yes, sir.
You can see different
Last says yes,
class
sir.
size. So Hasni, if you say first one it is 2, next one it is 3, again 2, 3, 2 like that. And one more thing is Hasni, these class intervals are not continuous.
Yes, sir.
Not continuous. Not continuous meaning is Hasni, like I was telling, continuous class intervals means 50 to 52, then next it should start with 52 to 54.
Oh, 54.
Like means what, the one that ends here, which we should start with that, no?
Yes, sir.
That is called continuous. Upper limit and here lower limit. Here if you see Hasni 50 to 52, then it went to 53 to 55. Is it same Hasni? Upper limit of the first one and lower limit of the second class two?
No, sir.
Are they same?
No, sir.
So these are called as non-continuous class intervals.
Oh, okay, sir.
So first to do the sum Hasni, we should convert the sum into continuous class intervals.
Okay, sir.
Means we should make it continuous, Hasni. So how we will make it is, we will like 50 to 52 will make it as 49.52, means we'll subtract zero point 0.5 from 50 and we'll add 0.5 to the other one has.
Okay, sir.
From every lower limit we'll subtract zero point 0.5 and add 0.5 to the upper limit. Means now next one what it will become, Hasni, can you tell?
Sir,
We subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and 0.5 we'll add it to the upper limit. So what it will become, Hasni?
52.5 to 55.5.
Yes, Hasni, that is correct. So like that, Hasni, now if you see, once check the class size now, Hasni.
Now they're continuous, sir.
Class intervals are continuous also, and class size, once check, Hasni, class size is it, what is the class size now here? 52.5 minus 49.5.
So class intervals is subtraction of both, right, sir?
Class size, Hasni. Class size means upper limit minus lower limit.
Yes, sir.
Class size.
Subtraction only, right, sir?
Yes, Hasni.
It's 3.
Yes, Hasni. Here also it is.
3.
Now next one 54.5 to 57.5 will get us. Sorry, 54.5 to 55.5 to 58.5 will get. There also will get 3. Here luckily class size also becoming equal once we made the class interval same as.
Oh, okay, sir.
But if the class size is not some, there will be some questions where class size can be different also in mean. Okay, in such cases we will do assume mean method only. We will not go for a step deviation, because in step deviation mostly we will take h as the class size. So class size, if it is different, what we will take it? Yes, no?
So could you repeat?
Yes, sir. If class size is different everywhere, Hasni, we will not go for step deviation method, because h in the formula of step deviation is class size, no?
Yes, sir.
So if class size is different, which value we should take it? Suppose somewhere if it is 3, then 4, then 5. Different means which value we should choose, h value. We cannot choose any particular, no?
No, sir, we cannot choose.
So that's why we will go for assume mean method if class size is different.
Oh, okay, sir.
We will not go for step deviation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But Hasni, if you still do the sum using step deviation by considering the h value, whichever value you want also, still will get the same answer.
Oh,
But
okay.
generally, teachers will tell students to take the h value as class size when they are doing the step deviation method. And if the class size is different, then they'll confuse which value to take.
Yes, sir.
Suppose somewhere h is 3, then 4, 5 means a different h is 3, 4, 5, like 5, 6, 7, the different values will confuse. So instead of that, the teachers will simply ask you to go for assuming method. Otherwise, ask me generally for mean sums. H, even though it is not class size value, if you take any value as per your wish, also still we'll get the same answer and we should get the same answer.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, but we'll select the H value in such a way that most of the DI column values will be divisible with that number we should select as.
Okay, sir.
Because you're dividing the DI column value with H, no? That's why. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So we'll now once I have first step is Hasni, I'm writing the class intervals by making them continuous. Okay, Hasni, in the fifth question.
Okay, sir.
Fifth one I am doing, Hasni now.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, class intervals column first, then frequency column, then xi column. I'll finish these Hasni first. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So CI, FI, XI Hasni, first I'll write these values. So CI has me, it is 52. 52 has. Then 50, sorry Hasni, we have to make it continuous, no?
Yes, sir.
So we have to subtract 0.5 and add 0.5 Hasni. Means 49.5 to 52.5.
Okay, sir.
Then Hasni, 52.5 to
52.5 to 55.5.
yes, Hasni. Now Hasni, 55.5 to
55.5 to 58.5.
yes, Hasni.
Or
Then
58.5 to 61.5.
58.5 to 61.5.
0.5.
Yes, Hasni.
Next 61.5 to 63.5.
61.5 to 60. Hasni, 61.5 to
61.5 to 64.5, sir.
yes, Hasni. 61.5 to 64.5 is correct. So now Hasni, F5 values Hasni 15, 110, 135, 115, and 25. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
The next XI column Hasni.
Uh,
XI column is Hasni, we have to add the lower limit and upper limit by 2 Hasni.
yes, sir.
So 52.5 plus 49.5, 52.5 is 53 Hasni. 53 plus 40 is 93. 93 plus 9 is 102 Hasni. So 102 by 2 means 51 Hasni.
Oh, okay, sir.
And then everywhere no classes is same no Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So we can add 3, we'll get the next, everywhere classes is 3, so we'll add 3, we'll get the next values. So we need not do 52.5 plus 55.5 by 2. Suppose if class size is different Hasni, still after making them class intervals as continuous, then we should do every time lower limit plus upper limit by 2 Hasni. We cannot add this 3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't forget Hasni. Most of the time they'll give class interval, class same Hasni, but okay. Is it okay Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Well,
Okay, sir. Could you hear me?
yes Hasni. So we'll add 3 Hasni, we'll get 51 plus 3, 54. Then 54 plus 3, 57. 57 plus 3, 60. 60 plus 3 is 63. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now, Hasni, which we can see, Hasni, XI values are bigger only, FA values are bigger only. We cannot go for direct method.
Yes, sir. We
Yes, no?
cannot. Yes, sir.
Hasni?
Yes, sir. We cannot go for direct method.
Yes, Hasni. So I'm selecting a value again in the middle, Hasni. This is A. I'm selecting 57. So Fi is equal to Xi minus A. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
51 minus 57 Hasni, which is minus 6. 54 minus 57 minus 3. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir. No, sir. Got it.
It's Hasni. 57 minus 57, 0 Hasni. 60 minus 57 is 3. 63 minus 57 is again how much Hasni?
Sir, 50. So once could you repeat the question? I didn't heard it properly.
Hasni. Final value is how much, Hasni, in the table?
Sir, 6, sir.
Yes, Hasni. 63 minus 57 is 6.
Yes, sir.
So Hasni, now we will select the you can see, Hasni, actually we can go for Fi. Oh, I wrote here mistake, Hasni.
Yes.
What is a mistake? Can you tell, Hasni? I should write Di, no, Hasni.
Yes,
This is
sir. Instead of DI, you wrote FI.
yes, Hasni. This is Di actually. Now, Hasni, you can see Fi Di. We will go for assume mean method. Suppose still the values are bigger only. 110 is bigger. If we make these much smaller, it will become easy, no? At
Yes.
least some multiplication will become smaller numbers.
Yes, sir.
135, 115 into 3 is better, or Hasni, 115 into 1 will be better, no? Yes, no?
So 115.
Means if you make these values much smaller, Hasni, 115 into 3 is easier, 115 into 1 is easy, Hasni.
1, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So we'll make this column much smaller by going to step deviation method.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So ui is equal to di by h. H is anywhere class size is 3 only. So we'll simply divide the di values with h, Hasni, and we'll write the ui column, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So what will get, Hasni? Ui is equal to di by h. So if we divide it, so minus 6 by
Minus 6 by 3.
yes, Hasni. How much?
Minus 2.
Yes, Hasni. Minus 3 by 3, Hasni.
So minus.
Next one is minus. We'll continue solving like that only, Hasni. Every value of di.
So
How much?
next one is minus 3 by 3 is 1. Minus 1.
Minus 1. Yes, Hasni. 0 by 3 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Then 3 by 3 is
3 by 3 is 1, sir.
yes, Hasni. 6 by 3.
So 6 by 3 is 2.
Yes, Hasni. That is correct. So, Hasni, now we will do ui is equal to di by h, Hasni. Now we'll do with what, Hasni? Fi ui.
Oh, okay.
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 Yes, Hasni. So Fi ui, Hasni, if we multiply, we'll get it as 15 into minus 2. How much? Minus 30. 110 into minus 1, Hasni, which is
110 into minus 1, minus 110.
135 into 0, Hasni.
0.
115 into 1, Hasni.
So 115 into 1, 115, sir.
25 into 2, Hasni.
50.
Okay. So Hasni, now what we will do is sigma Fi value, we will do it, and sigma Fi di we will do it. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So sigma fi, how much it will get? Will get us 15. If you add all this, 115 plus 25 is Hasni 120, 140. 140 plus 135 is 240, 275. 275 plus 10 is 285. 285 plus 100 is 385. 390, 400 I am getting Hasni this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui. How much Hasni if you add all this? Yes, Hasni. How much Hasni?
Sir, once I'm doing, sir. Sir,
Okay,
can sigma FIUI be a table expenditure for 25 households thing? No, sir. Can it be over here? Okay, it's not given, sir. Okay. I get it.
no, Hasni. Sigma fi ui is addition of all the values of fi ui. Sigma fi ui means because every time we are doing that only, Hasni. Suppose for assumed mean method means sigma fi di will do. Means what sigma fi di means fi di column all the values will add it. Now fi ui column if you add all the values we'll call it as sigma fi ui. So 115 plus 15 is how much? 115 plus 50 is how much Hasni?
150?
115 plus 50
One second.
is 165.
Oh,
165 no Hasni?
yes, sir.
165 and minus 110 minus 30 is
Minus 140.
yes, Hasni. Minus 140 and 165 Hasni.
Yes, sir. So it's 25?
25 Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hasni. 25 is correct. So Hasni, now finally we'll use the formula and we'll find out the mean Hasni.
Okay.
So mean is equal to x bar is equal to step deviation. Now Hasni formula is a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Okay,
Okay.
Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So now we will finish the value here, Hasni,
Okay, sir.
and formula. Yes, Hasni. I am substituting the values, Hasni.
Okay.
Mean is equal to x bar. That is a is how much, Hasni? 57 plus sigma fi ui, Hasni, 25 by sigma fi 400
Yes, sir.
into h is how much, Hasni? 3. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So 57 plus Hasni here 3 and 400 we cannot cut, Hasni, but 25 and 400 we can cut it because it's
Yes.
multiplication division. No, we can cut it. So 25 ones are 25 Hasni, 15 will be like from 50 means 16. 16 times Hasni.
Okay.
Or if you didn't get idea with 25 table Hasni, you can cut it with 5 table multiple times also. You'll get same 1 by 16. So 1 into 3 has me 1 into 3 is 3 leftover 1 signed by
16.
yes Hasni. So this we'll find out till 3 or 4 decimals and we'll add it with 57 Hasni because here LCM also we can do it and do but time waste Hasni. LCM and again you need to later division with 16 only after finishing LCM and adding the numerators.
Yes, sir.
So we'll prefer dividing 3 with 16 and adding the decimal because anyways we want the answer in decimal. So 3 if you divide it with 16 Hasni, you will get it 57 57 57 plus 16 3 by 16 has me 0 0.16 to the 32 16 was the 16 has 14 will be left 140 so 16 7 is a 112 16 8 is a 128
Oh,
so I'm dividing it in the mind has me. So if you divide it in the rough space also, you'll get this only has me. 16 is a 0. First anyway, 16, 30 means 16 will be 16. 14 will be left. 140 means 16 8 is a 128 has me. 12 will be there. 120 means 16 8 is a 128. So 16 7 is a 112 has me. And finally, you will get 8 has me. 18 means 16 5 is a 8.
oh,
Means we'll get 1875 has me. It will the decimal remainder will come 0. Suppose if it is not coming 0 further also Hasni, we can do it up to 3 or 4 decimals Hasni.
okay.
Yes, Hasni. So answer is Hasni 51875 we are getting here Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So which is 57 plus 0.1875 means 57.1875. This is the answer Hasni for the fifth question. Just for our confirmation once we check the back answer Hasni.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
Till how many decimals they gave Hasni?
1 second. Sir, the answer is 57.1875, sir.
Okay Hasni. Ah, yes Hasni.
But they gave it as 57.19.
Yes, Hasni, they rounded till the second decimal. If the third decimal is 5 or more than 5, Hasni, we can add 1 to the second decimal. It will become 57.19, Hasni.
Oh, okay, sir. Correct only, sir.
But we can write our exact answer also, Hasni. This is the actual exact answer. They rounded till the second decimal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I delete it, Hasni?
Yes, sir. You can delete it.
Okay, Hasni. So this is about the fifth one, Hasni. We'll go to the next question, Hasni. Sixth question, Hasni. Once you'll read the question, Hasni.
The table below shows the daily expenditure on food 25 households in a locality.
Yes, yes, Hasni. Hasni.
So should I read it again?
Yes, Hasni.
The table below shows the daily expenditure picture on food of 25 households in a locality.
Yes, Ashley. So they're asking us find the main daily expenditure of the food by the suitable method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashley. So we'll choose the method based on the xi values, Ashley, later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So sixth one, Ashley. First, I'll write the class intervals, frequency. Five values we have, Ashley. So I will draw it littles. So Hasni, class intervals are 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, and 300 to 350. Okay, Hasni. Hello? You're on mute, Hasni.
Okay, sir. Could you hear me, sir?
Hi, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Just a second, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, I will write the class interval values, and so if you see the class intervals are 100 to 150, Hasni.
Yes, sir. 100 to 150, sir. 150 to 200.
100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. So 4, 5, 12 to 2 has. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Xi is 100 plus 150 by 2, Hasni. 250 by 2 is 125. 150 plus 200 is 350 by 2, Hasni, which is 175. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
200 plus 250 is 450 by 2, which is 225. Or you can add 50 everywhere because class size is everywhere 50 now. Hasni.
Yes, sir.
We'll add 50 to the previous value, we'll get the next value. So 275 Hasni, and then it's 325.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Then next one, Hasni, you can see Hasni Fi, Xi values are bigger only. We'll go for either step deviation or assumed mean method. First, we'll check the assumed mean method. Hasni means we'll check for a after writing xi a minus a values. We'll prefer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
A
Okay,
is how much, Hasni? According to us now,
twenty-five.
A is 225.
Yes, sir.
Now di is equal to xi minus a. So 125 minus 225. How much, Hasni? 125 minus 225
Minus 100.
is Hasni me. Then 175 minus 225
1 minus 50.
is Hasni 0. Then 275 minus 225
275. 50, sir.
minus 225 50. 325 minus 225
100.
is Hasni.
Okay.
So Hasni, now Hasni we'll go for step deviation because reason is even though multiplication with 50, 100 is easy, we can make that column much smaller, Hasni, by going to step deviation method.
Okay, sir.
So ui is equal to di by h. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So finally we'll get the fi ui column. Hasni, ui is equal to di by h. So di by h means minus 100 by h is how much, Hasni?
50.
Yes, Hasni. Class size h is 50. So we'll divide it with 50, Hasni. Minus 100 by 50 is minus.
Minus 100 by 50 is minus 2, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Minus 50 by 50 is
Minus 1.
0, Hasni. Then 50 by 50
50 by 50 is 1.
is Hasni. And 100 by 50 is
2.
Correct, Hasni. Finally, Fi UI column, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Means we'll multiply the UI value with Fi. You can see, Hasni, these numbers became 1 digit. So step deviation will become much smaller values. That's why.
Yes, sir.
Then once you'll quickly tell the Fi UI column, Hasni.
Sir, FIUI column, sir.
Yes, Hasni. By multiplying Fi with respect to UI value, Hasni.
So first one is -8.
Yes, Hasni.
Next -5.
Yes, Hasni.
0.
Yes, Hasni.
Next what is it? 2.
Yes, Hasni.
It should be 4.
Yes, Hasni. That is correct. So, Hasni, now we will do sigma Fi and sigma Fi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sigma Fi. How much, Hasni? Sigma Fi?
Uh,
5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus
sir, it's 24.
21. Hasni?
Sir, is it 24?
But Hasni, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. No?
Plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1.
Sir, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hasni. No, sigma Fi UI, Hasni. Once you'll add it, Hasni, quickly.
Sir, it's 25. Right, sir, it's given already.
Sigma Fi UI, Hasni.
Oh, oh.
Ah, yes, Hasni. This is 25. Already we wrote it, Hasni. Sigma Fi is 25. Sigma Fi UI, Hasni.
Sir, is it -7?
How much, Hasni?
Is it -7?
8, minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13 plus 4 plus 2 is plus 6. Minus 13 plus 6 is minus 7.
Okay.
Now finally we'll apply the step deviation formula, Hasni. We'll get the answer, Hasni. Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, now we'll finish the value by substituting the values, Hasni. So we'll just mean is equal to A plus A is how much, Hasni? 225 plus sigma Fi ui. Sigma Fi ui is, Hasni, minus 7 by sigma Fi is 25
Okay, sir.
into H is how much, Hasni?
50, sir.
Yes, that is correct. So 25 ones are 25 twos are. So we are getting 225 plus minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. So which is 225 plus of minus is minus, Hasni. So 225 minus 14 is 211.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni, this is the main, Hasni. Just for our confirmation, once we check the back answer, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Hasni.
To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts of million ppm, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and it's presented below. So should I read the question again?
Yes, Hasni.
To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below.
Okay, Hasni. So, Hasni, we can see they said that there are some SO2 concentration levels, Hasni, within 30 localities in a city. So, 0 to 0.04 is 4 localities, Hasni. 0.04 to 0.08 level is 9 localities. 0.08 to 0.12 is like that 9 localities. Like the different localities have sulfur dioxide concentration parts per million, Hasni. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
They're asking find the mean concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air. Overall, what is the mean concentration they're asking us to.
Oh, okay, sir.
So first thing we will see the class intervals are continuous only has me 0.04 to so it's starting with again 0.04. Then it ended 0.08 and 0.08 it started. So they are continuous no has me
Yes, sir.
class intervals.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasmi. So because of that reason, Hasmi, the class intervals are continuous, so we will directly everywhere the class size is also equal only has.
Okay.
So we'll do the sum has. So now again class intervals has me. So first thing the question number is has me 7 has. Class intervals free frequency. So Hasmi, there are 6 values Hasmi 0.00 to 0.04.
Okay, sir.
Then 0.00 to 0.04 Hasmi. Then 0.04 to 0.08. Then 0.08 to 0.12. Then 0.12 to 0.16. 0.16 to 0.20. Then 0.20 to 0.24 Hasmi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then frequency values Hasmi 499 499 242 no Hasmi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hasmi. Then Hasmi XI. XI column Hasmi. So Hasmi here decimals are there Hasmi for the first time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what we should do Hasmi? Same. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 0.00 plus 0.04 by 2 Hasni, which is 0.04 by 2. How much Hasni? 0.02 you'll get it.
Oh,
Okay, Hasni.
okay, sir.
Then everywhere 0.04 is the difference Hasni. Class size. Okay, so we'll add 0.04 to 0.02. You'll get 0.06. Then 0.06 plus 0.04. You'll get 0.10. Then 0.10 plus 0.04. You'll get 0.14. Then 0.18. Then 0.22 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni, you can see even though the decimals are smaller Hasni, we'll prefer going to assumed mean method Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Because reason is it will become much assumed mean method is better writing Hasni for this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, even direct method also no problem, but assumed method will become much smaller values. I'm thinking Hasni. That's why. So this I'm selecting it as A Hasni, the middle one.
Okay.
This one I'm selecting it as A Hasni. Now I'm writing di is equal to xi minus A. Okay, Hasni. Di is equal
Okay, sir.
to xi minus A. So now xi minus A, if I do Hasni every value 0.02 minus 0.14, it will become 0 minus 0.12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then this is minus 14, you'll get 0.08 Hasni. Then this is minus 0.14 minus 0.10 is minus 0.10 minus 0.14 is 0 minus 0.04 you will get Hasni.
Okay.
Then this will get 0 Hasni, then you will get this one as 0.14 and then you will get this as 0.08.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Actually, I wrote a mistake Hasni here. 0.18 minus 0.14 is 0.04 no Hasni.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
0.22 minus 0. Yes, Hasni, 0.08.
Okay, sir.
Hasni, now we'll go for step deviation method, Hasni. These decimals will go, Hasni. The advantage is decimals will go. How the decimals will go, I'll explain you the decimal division for you clearly in some other class. Suppose if you didn't understand how these decimals will go, Hasni, but one of them I'll show Hasni now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So ui is equal to di by h. Ui is equal to what, Hasni?
Di by h.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, now I am doing di value with h. H is how much? 0.04.
Yes, sir.
So Hasni, I am doing the division now. Once check. Means first thing I have to do what Hasni? 0 minus 0.12 by minus 0.12 by 0.04. No,
Yes.
di by h means di is this, h is 0.04.
Yes, sir.
So I am doing now into 100 into 100 Hasni. When you do numerator into 100, denominator into 100, will the value change Hasni?
No, sir.
Because when you are doing the same, means you are multiplying with one indirect. So into one will not change the value, yes or no? Because
No.
100 by 100 means 1.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the advantage is Asni? When you multiply this decimal with 100, 0.12 into 100 will become 12.
Oh, okay, sir.
0.4 into 100 will 0.04 into 100 will become 4. Decimals will move right side 2 places. 12
Yes.
and this will become 4. What is the advantage is asked me decimal got removed. So finally how much? 12 by 4 came. It is 12 by 4 means 3.
Okay, sir.
So
Oh,
that is the advantage. So UI when you divide this, you can see Hasni now there is no decimal in our answer. So this became minus 3.
oh, okay, sir.
Now same way Hasni next ones also minus 0.08 by 0.04 if you do both the decimals will go 8 by 4 will get Hasni which is minus 2. Same way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, similarly, next one minus 0.04 by minus 0.504, it will become 1 into 100 into 100. When you do 4 by 4, you will get which is 1.
Okay, sir.
0 by anything is 0.
Oh, okay, sir.
So now this one again similarly 0.04 and 0.08 by 0.04 means we will get into 100 into 100 Hasni 8 by 4 you will get which is 2.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now finally Fi UI Hasni. Fi UI column. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Fi UI column once you quickly multiply it Hasni.
Minus 12,
Yes, Hasni.
minus 18,
Yes, Hasni.
minus 9,
Yes, Hasni.
2 into 0, 0,
Yes, Hasni.
4 into 1, 4,
Yes, Hasni.
2 into 2, 4.
Yes, Hasni, that is correct. So finally, we will do mean calculation, Hasni. Mean calculation here, mean is sigma FIUI value. Sigma FI here place is not there, Hasni. I'm writing it separately here.
Okay.
So sigma Fi, if I add sigma Fi column, Hasni, I'll get it as sigma Fi is equal to 4 plus 9, 13 plus 9, 22 plus 2, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 2, 30 Hasni. So sigma Fi is 30 Hasni. Now sigma FIUI. Sigma FIUI is how much Hasni? This column. If you add it.
So plus 4, 8.
Yes, ask me this column if you add it, how much will that has?
Minus 22.
See?
Sir, minus 22.
Yes. Minus 22. Just a second. See?